Hello, I'm Fantoni, the Scout Ghost. Today I want to talk with you about puzzle in places. That is, VR experience lets you assemble puzzles in 3D, and the elements that you have to assemble are like buildings scanned with photogrammetry. So it's quite cool. Discover it with me. So let's analyze the game. Basically, it's already cool when you start because to start you have to assemble the two pieces of the start button. So everything is a puzzle in this game. And in this beta until now you have some location, just a few, maybe 6, 8, I don't remember the number, sorry. And every one of them is a puzzle that can go from 20 pieces, that is for the first one, to 200 pieces for the most difficult ones. So when you start the puzzle, you are in a virtual space and you can see all the various pieces in front of you. You can grab them and you can try to assemble them so that to compose a 3D puzzle. So it's not a classical 3D puzzle where you have all the pieces that have the typical puzzle form, but it is like just someone took the mesh of a photogrammetry and cut it in various parts. And assembling it is relaxing. I have to say that all the photogrammetry models are very cool, and people at Reality say you are very talented. One of them is the Balabanyan, that is like the king of photogrammetry for us of the VR communities. And so the resulting elements are amazing. And what you have to do is just grabbing them and find a way to assemble them. It's like the usual problem solving puzzles. And since these ones are in 3D, you have not only one picture of the place, but usually you have like 3 or 4 or 5. So you can see the results for all the angles. So you can assemble first a part, then another part, rotate the model, look another photo, assemble the other one. So you have like 3, 4 photos from different angles of the place, so you know what should be the result from all the points of view. I have to say that it's satisfying, it's relaxing, and models are cool. I think that these are the best pros of this experience. Also, the UX is very simple, very intuitive. Just I haven't even read the guide on the controls, and I've been able to make some puzzles. So it's super simple. Reading the guide after, I discovered that I could also move inside the environment just pressing the B and Y key. That you can also group the pieces. So you can take 10 pieces that, for instance, are of the house, of the puzzle, and put them in a group. Put the pieces of the street in another group. And so assemble just partial parts of the puzzle that are in the groups, and then you assemble all together. So it's very intuitive. It has a great UI. I loved it. The problem, there are also some cons. So as always, I can't leave you without some bad comments about this application. So I thought that the biggest con actually is because of the device or the Quest. Making the puzzle is super relaxing, but doing the puzzle while I'm seated, because of course this experience you can play seated, it's best that you play seated, so you relax, assemble pieces, and you feel better. But the Quest is so uncomfortable, so in the end I had this thing pushing on my head, and after like 1 hour I was assembling puzzles. I was like, oh no, I just have to take a break. This is the most annoying thing is the device, and it's not the fault of the developers. If I had to find fault of the developer, in my opinion, is that in some parts, some puzzles, they make some pieces that are too teeny. So I had no idea, for instance, in the puzzle that I assembled about something, some temple in Japan, some garden, exactly, I don't know. There was like some pieces were just trees. And I was like, where should I put it? And then I noticed that it was like a teeny hole in the 3D model. I was like, really? I have to see these teeny holes, understand where to put them. Or another time, always in the same puzzle, there was a piece that was in interior of a building. I couldn't see it properly, so I just had to try to do it until I found a way to put it inside. So that's probably biggest con of this application. But for the rest, it's cool. Also, if you're afraid you have to find the exact spot and where to put a piece, I have to say that yes, you have to understand the correct orientation, but there is a tolerance. So if you more or less you put it correct, the piece is going to snap and go in the correct place. As soon as it is in the correct place, it doesn't move anymore. So as soon as you have attached two pieces, 20 pieces, etc., they are a block together. So this is how it works and how it is made. So my final opinion is that it's a very nice application. Puzzle in Places now in beta. It has great quality in UX and graphics, and also it provides great photogrammetry elements, and I found it pretty relaxing when you use it. It's not perfect, like I always say about VR applications, but it's interesting. So since it is free now on AppLab, I really advise you if you like puzzles, or if you're looking for something to relax yourself, to download it from AppLab using the link I provided here below. And as a final advice, just make a puzzle a day maybe, because otherwise the weight of the quest may ruin your experience. And for the rest, it's very, very cool. So thanks for watching this video. Download the puzzle in places from AppLab. If you want, please like and subscribe for my channel, and have a nice day in VR assembling all the pieces. Bye bye.